So dear learner, today we have looked at the Weisbord'S six-box model, and we have indicated that whenever an organizational analysis is supposed to be conducted, it may be prudent to be able to use Marvin R. Weisbord'S six-box model to be able to diagnose the performance of an organization or analyze. And according to Marvin Weisbord, there are 6 categories that we have listed here that can be used to analyze or diagnose an organization. And according to Weisbord, identifying and solving a problem must be done in the context of the work environment or the organization, and it has to be done systematically. And Weisbord recommended that the same people who are familiar with the situation should be the ones to be involved in the systematic diagnosis of a given working environment. And diagnosis, according to Weisbord, is a way of bridging the gap between what is and what should be. Then that gap is what a consultant can come to bridge. And the 6 categories for organizational analysis, according to Weisbord, we have seen number 1, the purpose, which may incorporate the mission or the vision of an organization. Then 2, structure, and this structure may be the formal structures within a given organization. 3, relationships or power systems in an organization in terms of the formal links, rewards, which may be intrinsic or extrinsic that are provided to workers, leadership within an organization, which is provided by supervisors and managers, and number 6, helpful mechanisms that we have indicated and discussed could, for example, include integrated management information systems that allow organizations to operate. Then we have gone ahead in our lesson and looked at Weisbord'S six-box model, and in this 6-box model, you have the purposes in an organization, the structure in an organization, rewards in that particular organization, helpful mechanisms, relationships that are provided and made within a leadership context where you have supervisors and managers. And within this particular link, there are also inputs that come from the external environment. And once the processes are complete here, there are outputs that go back into the environment. So there is that interaction between an organization in terms of how it operates, the environment of that particular organization, the inputs that come in, and the expected output. So this provides an interaction framework under the Weisbord'S 6-box model. We have gone ahead, learner, in our lesson and looked at applications of the Weisbord'S 6-box model, and we have seen that among the areas where the Weisbord'S 6-box model can be used may include 1, consultancy purposes to be able to carry out organizational diagnosis. Number 2, employee training and development, where employees can be trained in relation to these 6 categories and the environment within which an organization operates. Number 3, the Weisbord'S 6-box model can be applied to be able to make managers or supervisors appreciate their roles as far as leadership and management is concerned. Number 4, evaluation of organizational performance. Number 5, formulation of appropriate policies and procedures. And number 6, information regarding the gaps that should be filled can also be one area where the Weisbord'S 6-box model can be used. So, learner, this is one of the useful models or theories that have been applied in management, and you need to be aware of it to be able to apply it in your areas of operation, in your areas of practice. Should it be in the area of research? Should it be in the area of consultancy? Should it be in the area where your advice is required, or in your daily understanding and appreciation of the content of management in terms of the theories? So before we finish our lesson, learner, it is important that you have an assignment, and your assignment for today, a lesson for your assignment, where we have been looking at Weisbord'S 6-box model, discuss the ways through which the Weisbord'S 6-box model may be applied in an organization. So learner, this is your assignment. Discuss the ways through which the Weisbord'S 6-box model may be applied in an organization. That is your assignment after we have now gone through the Weisbord'S 6-box model under the Weisbord'S theory of organizational diagnosis. Thank you for being attentive in our lesson, and we will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.